Hi guys, Jake here again and welcome to another video. And today, we've still got Daisy here. Say hi.
Hey.
Surprised you can hear me with them earphones on. Yeah. I'm not allowed to do a house tour, unfortunately. But, obviously, still in my gaming room on my amazing leather reclining chair. So amazing. Yeah. I've just come to say, please, I'll have a shout. This is the shout out video. Shout out to JRL Rob. So it's a Phantom Cobra 007. Taylor Woof. Yeah, since I've not uploaded a video in like 2 hours, because I actually, one sec. Yeah, my tooth's wobbly. Wobbly tooth on YouTube. I think Daisy is watching Paige McCain. You just fight!
No, I didn't.
Yes, she did.
No, I didn't.
Well, someone did.
It wasn't me. Was it the floor? It wasn't me. That's weird. I heard that.
Did
Is that you?
No, I promise it wasn't me.
Was it the chair?
Might have been. I think it was the chair. Sorry guys, I thought Daisy farted. I'll have to replay the video and see what noise it was.
Yeah, I know.
It really was.
Creepy.
Might be a bomb or something.
I didn't.
Never mind. Yeah. So yeah, shout out video, Taylor Woof, JR, I can never say his name quick. JRL Rob, Phantom Cobra 007. Definitely go check out them three only YouTubers I know at the moment. Well, not the only YouTuber I know, but the one, my friends, yeah, all in my class. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe and that like button. And see you in the next video. Peace out.